Well, hello everyone, it's Daniel with Website Candy, and I want to show you how on the iPhone you can get the perfect shot every single time. So we have two different photos here, and make sure you give me a like for the simple fact that we're going to do two different photos, and make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so. So what we're going to do is we're going to focus over here on the phone first, and as you can see, here's this photo, and as I squeeze it and I press down, you can see that the photo's live and it's moving around. Okay, so I'm going to come over here, hit edit, and the first thing I like to do is I like to hit auto to let the iPhone automatically clean up the photo the best it can. And it still didn't really like the cat the way I wanted to, so I can go a little deeper and I can go into my settings here and I can just slide these guys around. It's really honestly about trial by fire, trial by just trying basically to see if we can get it lighter. So it's nice and lighter there, and I like that look right there. So as I hit the little button here for the live photos, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select a different photo, and I'm going to try my best to say, okay, I like maybe this one right here where the light is starting to hit the cat a little bit more, that one right there. So I'm gonna hit done, and I'm gonna save that photo. Real simple, real easy. Right here on the computer, I'm over here in iPhotos, or it's called Photos now, and you can see that the photo is live. And as you can see there, the cute kitty is just kind of looking, chilling, relaxing over the shoulder type of look, like he's posing, and his name is Mr. J. Okay, so we're gonna come over here, hit edit, and what I always like to do is I like to hit that little magic wand button right there to make sure that I get the best effect of what the Apple is going to try to do for me. And I like this shot right here better than anything else. And as you can see the little dot right there, and now right here on the phone you can see the little dot that's indicating that that's the main photo right there. We're going to hit done, and we're going to get that shot there. Real simple, real easy. Go ahead and try it out and let me know how it works for you. And I'll see you guys in the next video.